I'm going to show you how to set up the Face ID password on your iPhone 16s. First thing is go to Settings. From here, go to Face ID and Passcode. So let's scroll down. Face ID and Passcode right there. Let's tap on that. Go ahead and put in your 6-digit passcode. If you didn't make one, it's going to ask you to make one now. But I already have mine, so let me go ahead and now to set up the Face ID, you go down here. Okay, so we can tap on Set up Face ID right there. We're going to tap on Get Started, and I'm going to put my face in there. And as soon as it turns around, I'm going to go ahead and do a little circle. And then we get two options down here. You can use Face ID with a mask. So that's up to you. For me, I'm going to go with don't use Face ID with a mask. So I'm just going to just simply tap on there and click on Done right there. And by default, you can see what the Face ID is used for, the iPhone unlock and so on. So this is all optional. Anyway, so we're all set up. I got the iPhone unlocked there. So now I can go ahead and just look at my phone and then swipe up and I should be in.